Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my full face makeup tutorial using all of my June 2021 Boxycharm makeup products. I am so excited that I got pretty much every product that I need to do a full face this month. That has not happened in a long time because I feel like I just wasn't getting, a lot of makeup or not getting a big range of makeup. And I'm so excited about the products I got this month. And I figured this would be a great way for me to update you on how I've been liking the products since I got them. So I'm going to jump right into it and keep talking as I go. But the first product I'm going to apply is the Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation that I got in the shade 24W Light Warm. So I get the Boxy Luxe box, which is what we got this month, and the Boxycharm Premium box, and I posted my unboxing videos on my YouTube channel, and I've already done full dedicated review videos on all of these makeup products. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, you can definitely check that out on my channel. I feel like I lucked out so much with this shade. It's the perfect match for me right now. And I love how natural it looks on the skin. And large pores is one of my main skin concerns. So I love that this helps to minimize the pores and gives great coverage over the pores and the redness. So definitely a product that I have been loving and wearing a lot. So the only one product that I need to do a full face that I did not get this month is a concealer. So I figured I would just go in with my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, which I think I got in Boxycharm at one point. I'm going in with the shade 8 Light. And I'm really just going on my under eyes because I feel like I need that. I also do not have a setting powder this month, but we are going to go without that. I feel like the matte foundation, I don't even need a setting powder with. Another product that I did not get, but I don't feel like I need it for a full face, is any eye makeup or eyeshadow makeup. I did get a mascara, but that's my only eye makeup product. I feel like usually it's very heavy in eye makeup, like palettes, eyeshadows. So surprising this month, but we're just going to take the concealer onto the eyelid instead. All right, skin is done. So moving on to eyes, all I have is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara for the eyes. But you know what? That is all I need. I have been loving this mascara. It's my new go-to daily mascara because I am just obsessed with how volumized it makes my lashes. I also love it on the lower lash line. And I do like to layer it up, like 2 layers I think is good. This is actually going to be a pretty fast makeup tutorial because I am not doing eyeshadow and all of those little extra steps. So this is also a quick and easy makeup tutorial. All right. I love how my lashes are looking, and it really does just like complete the eye makeup since it gives so much emphasis to the eyes. And next, moving on to the brows, I cannot be without filled in brows. So I have the Benefit Brow Styler, and this is the 2-in-1 pencil and powder. So I love the pencil side. That's what I'm starting out with. I think the pencil side looks so natural. You can really get those little hair-like lines. And also this is in the shade 2.5, which I realized is the perfect shade match for me. I'm very excited about that. Just very excited about the shade matches in general that I got in Boxycharm this month. And I don't always get great shade matches in Boxycharm, so very excited about it. I do kind of wish this had a spoolie, but I think we're okay without it. All right, so in my opinion, I would rather just have the pencil than the powder. I feel like the powder is, for me, an unnecessary step. I didn't really like how it looked on its own. I mean, for the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and also throw in a little powder into the tail of the brow. But I still would need to set this with a gel anyways. So I just don't really feel like the powder is all that necessary. It does kind of darken the brows, so it gives that ombre effect, which I really like in a brow. But the powder just looks way less natural. So the powder part is not my favorite, but it looks fine. Now moving on to a product that I have been loving from a brand that is new to me, and I love learning about new brands, and this is from the brand Floss, and it's the cheek and lip tint that I got in the shade Sandals. And so first I want to go ahead and apply some to my lips, which are pretty chapped right now. So just do a little layer to add a little hydration. I do have a different lip color that I'll put on top of this, but I also have really been loving this on the cheek. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit because I do have another blush to put on top of this as well. But I think this blends out so nicely. It's a pretty color. And I love 2-in-1 products. Very pigmented too, for something that's considered a tint. Like, that's a full lip color. I only went in with a little bit on my cheeks, but I've got a full flush of color, so I'm gonna be having some very rosy cheeks with the products that I apply now. I'm just gonna pick up a fluffy brush to dust this on top of the cream blush that we already have here. And this is a really nice blush topper actually to go on top of this cream blush to kind of set the cream, because this is not a super pigmented, like it's not super pink of a blush, but it has really pretty glow, like basically a highlighter. So I really like the combination of these two blushes together. It's a little much, but I love it. I love to wear a lot of blush. So, you know, just even out the face a little bit and dust a little onto the forehead, across the nose. But I do love the glow that this gives to the skin, but it does look shimmery up close, but on camera and from a little bit of a distance, it looks beautiful. And we do have a completed look right here. But I have the Zoeva Pure Velours Lips in the shade Natural Aesthetic, which is my last makeup product for the tutorial. So gonna throw this on top of that balm. This is such a pigmented lip product that the balm doesn't really make a difference, but you know, just for the fun of it. I really like this comfortable formula. And I think it's a really pretty color as well. Like a nude red, a brick color. Pretty wearable, so I like this as well. So here is my finished look. I feel like the focal point when I look at myself is the rosy cheeks, but I'm wearing a lot of blush. But overall, like, I have been loving the makeup products that I got. So I'm just so happy with Boxycharm this month. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth, and I'll continue using these products. But of course, I'm already so excited for my July boxes, which make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'll be posting my unboxings and my product reviews. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.